Alright, once again, hello ladies and gents, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to unbox ZD Toys Rescue Armor. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think this is Mark 49, I think. Yeah. So this is the rescue armor made by Tony Stark for Pepper. Okay, so let's take a quick look at the box. I like the artwork on this one, and same packaging as well with the Mark 85. Another shot of the rescue armor here. Warnings and labels at the back with a group photo of the Avengers, and of course the epic Avengers Endgame photo. Alright, let's take the rescue armor out of the box. Okay, so here we have rescue armors, accessories, very slim pickings, I must say. So we only have a flight pole, the Marvel base, and extra pair of a fist and an open palm. The reason being is on the figure itself, one is a fist, it's a right fist and left open palm. So in case you want to make it both fists or both open palm, you have the option to do so. I like how the metallic purple complements the gold on this figure. So yeah, we have very few accessories, so we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the action figure itself, Mark or rescue armor. Okay, so here we have rescue armor up close, standing tall in the light box. I mean, look at that armor, it's freaking gorgeous. That metallic purple and gold really complement each other. Alright, after this quick peek, we are gonna take a closer look at everything, paint job, articulation, and whatnot, and let's see how they actually look together, because I am gonna be putting Mark 85 and the rescue armor together, just like how they look like in the movies. Okay, I think that would be it, and let's now go to the articulation portion. Okay, so there we have her. Rescue armor, Mark number 49, I think. Yeah, I am actually pretty impressed with the paint job on this one. I like how the metallic purple complements the gold, and like the way she was built is like definitely I should say definitely close to Pepper Potts or Gwyneth Paltrow's build. I mean, the proportions are like spot on. Again, the paint job is like, I cannot wait to put this and Mark 85 together in one pose or a variation of poses, and Like, I can already picture how they look good together, the Mark 85 and this armor, just like how they looked good together in the movie Avengers Endgame. Okay, so enough ogling with a paint job. Let's go on ahead and move to the articulation. Alright, so moving on to articulation, let's start of course with the head. Okay, turns 360. We have a nod, very little nod there. At least we have a tilt, unlike 85, which does not have tilt on the head whatsoever. And I just like to point out how the sculpt or the shape of the head of the rescue armor actually looks really feminine compared to the other Iron Man suits. But then again, it's what sets it apart. It's a girl in a suit. Okay, so let's go. Moving on to the shoulder. Have a lateral arm raise. Can turn 360, but just like the Mark 85, she doesn't have a butterfly shoulder as well, and it doesn't have a pop out. So pretty limited, but I'll let ZD Toys get away with that. Double bend for the elbow, of course, as always. And ball joint for the hands and fist. Okay, we got that. Moving on to the torso. Okay, so no pull, no snap on there. And also, I'd like to point out as well, again, ZD Toys innovated. If it's not an LED version, they use a paint that makes it look like it's lit up. So unlike the other Iron Man suits, I think it's Mark 5 and Mark 7, it's not painted, so they look like really a dead suit, like something that would only be suitable to be displayed in the Hall of Armor. Okay, so moving on. Okay, we got pull on the legs there. So without the pull, you have that, but if you pull it down, a little more range of motion, I must say. So that's gonna help if you want to put her in dynamic poses. Yep. I'm assuming, of course, double bend on the knees. Pull with that one, and the other side. There's a bit of a stiffness here. Let's be careful. Okay, there you go. And I said, yeah, there's a little bit of stiffness, and it did give, but I'm pretty sure super glue can patch that right up. Okay, so let's put that there. Yep, double bend does it. Am I forcing it? Let's see what happens. Am I really willing to break this? So, if ever this would be a first factory defect that I would encounter so far from ZD Toys. So yeah, this one is stock. Oh, there you go. Okay, so it finally gave in. So I think it's the paint too thick there that caused it, but yeah, at least I know I can bend it. And again, yeah, the super glue should fix this right up. Of course, ball joint on the foot or on the feet, and of course, the highlight of this is if Mark 85 has a lightning refocuser, Rescue Armor has her flaps. And it's not just one, it's 4 flaps. See that? See how cool that is? Okay, so as far as quality is concerned, that's the only like minus point that I'd give this Rescue Armor, but I would still say it's a one-off. Okay, and as promised, here we have Mark 85 and Rescue Armor together in the light box. I mean, look at how awesome these two are together. Like how the red, metallic red complements the metallic purple and the gold. I mean, if you get the Mark 85, you can't not get the Rescue Armor to come along with it. Alright, so I guess this wraps up my unboxing for the Rescue Armor. So, see you again in my next unboxing video. Stay safe and peace.